So here's a Lenovo laptop charger. If you have, it's not a USB-C charger. It's like, let me see. Let me check. Let me check. Not for USB-C. That's all it says. But you can, if you have a Chromebook or anything that would for sure work for this charger, then this is great. I can really recommend it. It has like the standard Velcro thing here, so like if you gotta pack it up, travel it on the go, that's nice because it's like I said, you already saw how it's packed. So like this is very efficient to take if you need to take a laptop on your travels if you're traveling. And also it's fast charging, and also I saw that it helps cool down, like it has like a cool down feature so your laptop doesn't overheat or overcharge. So I thought that was very convenient and nice, because sometimes I just be leaving my laptop charging there and it'll be hours, and then it was already 100% for so long, and I never realized. But this is how the product looks itself. It's pretty lightweight. It's not like a heavy battery, like some of the batteries are pretty heavy, but this one's is lightweight, and this is the length of it plus with this. So it's pretty long, especially if you're like a college student and you're in the library. The outlets are pretty far apart. Where I went to school, they were pretty far. So it's very convenient to like make sure you have of plenty of length of the cord, so you're not limited on where you can go sit and like study, or even in your own house. Because like some of the ports or the plugins I have here are pretty far out, especially in my room. So yeah, like overall with this all together, it's pretty long. It's pretty like a stable of usually what laptop chargers are. Also, the reviews are great. 4.6 out of so many reviews on Amazon. So that also is such a trust factor to see that as well. And it's mostly positive reviews. So I like to read the reviews and everything before I purchase a product. And I would like to say, because I forgot to say, that the brand gave me this product to give my honest opinion on it and show you, see if this is the right product for you. But overall, like I said, it's pretty nice. It charges fast. I'm really big on fast charging because I'm always using my laptop, and I hate when it dies. And then when it is close to dying, I want it charged as quickly as possible. So it does offer that. I just want to show you guys like the little details, making sure this is the right charger for you. Like, sometimes they look similar and then you're like, dang, I bought the wrong one. So just double check the product page to see if this is the right charger for your laptop, because there's so many different types. Well, you guys didn't have to see that. This is the most important part. But overall, it's a great product, and I hope you enjoy it, or if you choose to purchase this for yourself. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream, and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.